presenting the 2008 Kia Sedona. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power steering, tilt wheel, keyless entry, alarm, dual front airbags, side airbags and head airbags. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.